Hi, I'm Trish Lee and welcome to Thrive with Trish, a channel where we talk about all things related to mental health and personal growth.
Before we dive in, I just want to do a quick thank you shout out to Jess Chanel and Sam L. Thank you so much for supporting my channel.
Now let's talk about why you feel tired all the time. Let's start with the fact that there are healthy reasons to feel tired and there are unhealthy reasons to feel tired. It is healthy to feel tired after working out, going on a run, or participating in an extracurricular activity. It is unhealthy to feel tired after sleeping for 10 hours and not exerting yourself throughout the day. In today's video, let's discuss some of the most common reasons you feel tired and how to fix it. Number 1, not taking care of yourself. Think of yourself as your favorite luxury vehicle. To keep your car running optimally, you need regular oil changes, to use high quality fuel, and to keep up with the regular maintenance schedule. If you don't replace your oil on a regular basis, your car won't work efficiently. Are you sleeping the recommended 8 hours a day? And I just want to add here, sometimes some people might feel better with 9 hours of sleep. That would be me. If you are not getting enough sleep in a day, that could be the easiest change you can make in your life. Much like a car, the quality of fuel you put in your engine impacts your performance. Are you eating food that is full of nutrients, or are you eating empty calories? Remember, all energy is not created equal. Even if you eat the same number of calories, you will get more energy from fruits and vegetables than you will from cakes and ice cream. If you don't feel you're ready to change your diet just yet, a good place to start is by taking more vitamins. Lastly, consider what your ideal weight should be. And if you are not there yet, make a plan to get there. If your body is carrying around extra baggage, studies show it can negatively impact your sleep, joints, and organs. Number 2, you loathe something about your life. Stress is a real thing, my friend. But keep in mind that not all stress is bad. Some common causes of acute stress are losing a job, going through a divorce, or the death of a loved one. As you see, these examples are unique circumstances that should not happen on a regular basis. When stress has you feeling tired all the time, then you are dealing with stress related to activities you perform on a daily basis. The most common of these triggers are being unhappy in your job, feeling insecure in a relationship, or having a heavy workload. There are 2 ways to deal with chronic stress in your life. You can either remove the stress or manage the stress. Ideally, when an aspect of your life causes you to feel stressed on a daily basis, you should remove it from your life. Taking into consideration, you may not be able to eliminate the stressful aspects of your life overnight. You may be better suited to start by managing your stress. To do this, try to cultivate an attitude of gratitude. Are you grateful for the ability to provide for your family? In those strained relationships with your family and friends, reflect on a time when things were better. Or think of a time when your friend was supporting you when others didn't. If you're among those who genuinely cannot recall a time when things were better, then you need to manage your stress by limiting your interactions until you can eliminate them altogether. Number 3, progress has stopped. If your future is not more compelling than your life today, that could be a possible reason why you might be feeling tired all the time. One of the most beautiful and motivating things about life is growth. Of all the differences each of us have, the desire for growth and progress is something we all share. Feeling stagnant in your life is exhausting within itself. It is unlikely you are feeling stagnant due to a lack of effort. You are most likely exerting a lot of energy to change your life. But for one reason or another, you are no closer to your goal. You feel like a hamster running on its wheel. Even though the hamster is not any closer to its goal, it did exercise the energy to do so. If you deal with this feeling long enough, you won't just stop running on the wheel, you will stop running altogether. As simple as it sounds, the life you have is the life you know how to create. The actions and decisions that created your life today will not be able to create the life you want. You must first change the rituals and habits you employ each day to change your life. For example, a bodybuilder has a different set of eating rituals than a sumo wrestler. Yet, if you are not sure about the rituals of either of them, you cannot change your life to match theirs. You must research and learn how a bodybuilder chooses the food they eat, when they wake up, and how often they work out. If your goal is to create the results of a sumo wrestler, then it does not benefit you to mirror the lifestyle of a bodybuilder. The same holds true with your life goals. If you are not progressing towards the result you want, implement the tactics of someone successfully living the lifestyle you want. My dear friends, if you are feeling tired all the time, you need to take a step back and recognize what is making you feel so tired. Once you know what is causing you the problem, take small steps to change your life over time. The more you learn about yourself, the better equipped you will be to successfully change your life. I do hope you found this video to be helpful. If yes, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this with any of your friends and family who might find these tips shared here today helpful. Now let's have a look at the quote of the day. If you want things to change, you first have to change you. Love this quote? You can get it as a 12 by 12 or 16 by 16 inch canvas. To see all my available merchandise, do feel free to check out my online shop. You can find the link in the description below. Right now, I'm offering a Christmas promotion where you get to enjoy 20% off all my canvas prints that are available at my online shop. So don't miss out. Just use the code Christmas with Trish upon checkout and done. Worldwide shipping is available. This offer is valid until the 31st of December. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day, and I look forward to seeing you in my next episode of Thrive with Trish. Have you ever experienced this feeling of feeling tired all the time? Upon deeper reflection, what was the cause and how did you improve your energy levels? Please do share with me in the comments below.